Every 2.8 seconds, someone in the world dies from sepsis, and almost half of them are children. Hello, and welcome back to our podcast. We are nursing students from the Faculty of Life Sciences and Wellbeing at University of La Sabana. Our research topic is the relationship between healthy lifestyle habits and the prevention of sepsis in the pediatric population.
In this first slide, throughout our degree, sepsis has been talked to us mainly from the adult patient's perspective. The first adult protocols, adult scores, and adult risk factors. However, children are not small adults, and their immune systems are self-developing, and much of their health is influenced by the happens outside the hospital, by how they eat, sleep, move, and grow. That gap between what are the talk and what children actually need is what motivated our group to explore this topic.
This is where our group is unusual. The 6 of us do not sit in one research line, we sit in 2. 3 of us work with Professor Juliet Zabaleta in the QuidarMás line on health technologies, where the current project is building a predictive model for sepsis. The other 3 work with Professor Angelica Ospina in the ProSalud line on an article about healthy lifestyle habits in the pediatric population. So instead of choosing one line and leaving half the group behind, we deliberately built a question that sits where the two overlap: sepsis in children approach through modifiable habits. Every member contributes from their own line, and the proposal stays adaptable enough to grow into a degree project.
The literature supports this direction. Watson and colleagues and the Lancet Child Adolescent Health in 2024 reported that half of the 50 million sepsis cases each year occur in neonates and children under 19. A modifiable factor do matters. Obesity has been identified as a risk factor in the pediatric sepsis under the new Phoenix definition, and breastfeeding, hygiene, practice, and immunization are all documented protective factors.
So, why does this matter for our profession? Because nursing are exactly where these habits are built. Nutrition education, immunization follow-up, hand hygiene, sleep routines, and physical activity. If we can wish habits generally reduce pediatric sepsis risk, we shift the focus from treating septic shock in the intensive care unit to preventing it in the community, which is safer, and reaches far more children.
Our preliminary research question is what relationship exists between healthy lifestyle habits and the prevention of sepsis in the pediatric population. Our objectives are, first, to identify which lifestyle factors like nutrition, breastfeeding, physical activity, sleep, hygiene, and immunization are associated with pediatric sepsis risk. Second, to describe the strength and quality of that evidence. And third, to propose a prevention-oriented framework applicable to nursing.
We know this is still an early idea, and we expect to refine it with our professors, but we believe prevention is where our profession is strongest, and pediatric sepsis is where prevention has the most to give. Thank you so much for watching.